Without voting, you haven't got a say.
So we're out in Pontypridd today and we're asking people if they are thinking of voting.
You can't complain if you don't. So if you don't even try, I don't think you should be allowed to complain that like jobs are not what you want it to be, or that the government's not doing what you want because you didn't contribute.
Are you registered to vote?
I am registered to vote. I think it's extremely important for everyone to vote because without voting, you haven't got a say. Like, a lot of us will be talking about things in the pub or in sports centres and things like that. But if you don't vote, you haven't got a leg to stand on. I just think people have thought through, may as well use it if you get an opportunity.
What kind of things are important to you as a young person?
Education, also like things like EMA and I guess funding for stuff like that. Like school food is especially important, and I guess just like making community be more important, like more community activities and stuff like that.
There's a lot of things, like everything is expensive at the moment. It is. So anything that's actually going to help with that, or just with people with jobs and stuff like that, is important.
What kind of message do you have for people who may be voting for the first time?
Whoever runs the country then is basically down to us, and I would feel that every vote is important.